The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare functionalized deltahedral Zintl clusters of germanium divinyl. First, to prepare the precursor, load pure metallic potassium and germanium into a niobium tube and seal by arc welding. Under a vacuum, enclose the niobium reaction vessel in a fused silica tube and heat in a 950°C furnace. After dissolving the intermetallic compound in ethylenediamine, alkynate to functionalized deltahedral Zintl clusters. Ultimately, electrospray mass spectrometry and crystallization results confirm the successful formation of functionalized germanium divinyl clusters.
This method can provide insight into the alkylation of 9-atom deltahedral germanium Zintl ions. It is also applicable to various systems such as various 9-atom intermetallics functionalized with various organic substituents such as alkyl halides and alkynes.
Measure 4 segments of the niobium tube of 4.5 cm in length. Cut with a pipe cutter and place into a beaker. Pour niobium cleaning solution to completely cover the tubes. Close the sash of the fume hood until brown nitrous oxide gas is released. Then, immediately fill the beaker with water. With plastic tongs, remove the niobium tubes. Wash several times with water and acetone. Then, dry in a high-temperature oven. When cooled, use vice grips to crimp about 1 cm of one end of each tube and slightly bend the edge.